Question 4. Write the remaining words of the given verse. Pen, fan, fan, bat, C-A-T, cat, cap, T-A-P, tap, man, C-A-N, can, get, P-E-T, pet, leg, B-E-G, bag, fin, P-I-N, pin, dip, T-I-P, dip, sun, B-U-N, bun, rug, M-U-G. Question 5. Fill in the blanks. It is a. It. I. Yes. It. A. It is a pin. I. T. It. A. It is a bun. I. T. I. It. I. Yes. It is a mat. I. T. It. I. Yes. It is a log. I. T. It. I. Yes. It is. Question 6. Make sentences using it is a database for the following picture. I. T. It. I. Yes. It's A. B. A. T. Bat. It is a bat. I. T. It. I. Yes. It's a. T. R. E. E. Tree. It is a tree. I. T. It. I. Yes. It. A. F. L. O. W. E. R. It is a flower. Question 7. Read the question and answer in yes it is or no it is not form. Is it a rat? N. O. I. I yes N O T. No, it is not. It is a cup by E. Yes. I T. I yes. Yes, it is. It is a 10 by E. Yes. I T. I yes. Yes, it is. It is a